I have completed my computer engineering from Mumbai University, and I'm working as a software developer, and I have almost 7 years of experience in this field. So I'll be your instructor for this course. Here, as a part of this course, we will be covering Java development, which is a backend development. And for front end, we will be covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And along with that, we will also see the database languages, that is Oracle and SQL. I'll also be sharing my industry experience, how the things work when you join any organization. So it will be a practical course for every one of you. So if anyone has any questions or queries regarding this course, like what all things will be covered, so they can ask in this forum.
So only Java or Java Spring Boot it will be there.
So as a part of this course, we will be covering core Java. So Spring Boot will not be there.
Okay. And for database, what you will use?
We will be using SQL and Oracle.
Okay. And for front end React.
No, this course is designed in such a way that even freshers people can also understand. So we'll be starting with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Okay. And what will be the duration of this course?
The duration is 3 months.
Okay.
So someone has pinged what is the duration and daily how many hours. So daily it will be 2 hours session.
So timing will be same 8 to 10.
No, like we are planning on it. Like it will be 7 to 9, I guess. We'll confirm you. So is everyone like comfortable if I speak in English, or should we like convert it into English or Hindi mode, like this part, this conversation?
English is
No issue, ma'am.
Okay,
English is
okay,
English is fine.
okay, okay. ठीक है. So daily 2 hours lectures and the timing will be 7 to 9. So is it okay with everyone?
yes, ma'am. No issue.
Okay. So for beginners with no prior knowledge, how it is placed. So uh, like see, we will be covering everything from the scratch. So even if you don't have any prior knowledge regarding this technologies, so no need to worry about that, because I'll be taking everything from the basics only.
So firstly you will start with HTML, CSS, then you will go for Java.
No, first I'll start with Java because that is a major portion we need to cover. So first we'll be focusing on Java, and then we will be moving to HTML, CSS.
Okay, so in Java you will teach like how to develop the APIs, all these things.
I'll tell you that part, but starting May, like see, like people are new, so we need to cover everything, like what are the data types in Java, and what is multi-threading, what is exception handling. So after everything is covered, then we will see how to develop an API, because basic concepts are needed for that.
Yeah, no, no. My question was like in the content it will be there, like we can develop the APIs.
Yes, yes,
Okay, and OOPS concept also you'll cover in
yes,
this.
yes. Oops is also a part of this course.
Okay. So it is like Monday to Friday or weekends also you will take.
Monday to Friday, and some of the days, like on weekends also, we can take.
Mm. So you'll provide any notes or something like what you will teach for first day, second day, how we will get to know.
So day wise notes are not there, but I have prepared the course contents, what all things will be covered.
Suppose like it happens like we can't attend some days or everybody has different office timings also, right? So on that point of time, how you will manage?
So we will if anyone has queries now, so I'll take some separate time for them so that doubt solving can also be done, or you can mail me if you have any queries. Otherwise, I'll give you an overview what happened in the last session
Okay.
Any
and
recorded
PPT.
video or
We have observed that like if we provide the recorded videos now, so people are not sincerely taking it. Like sometimes people miss the lectures because they know that anyways we'll be getting the recorded sessions.
No, ma'am, my concern is not that. My concern is that like my office timings definitely will be different because it's fluctuate all the time. So it sometime happen I won't attend the classes. So on that time, on that situation, what I should do?
So what is your time, office time currently?
Actually, it's rotational, so I can't tell ki one is the fixed timing for me.
Okay, so like you just ping your query to Satish sir. We will discuss on that part and we will get back to you what can be done for that particular situation. Okay.
No.
But ma'am, my question.
Hmm.
In morning batch, you have to also provide a daily base recording session. But why you have not providing that?
In which batch you are currently enrolled?
No, it is evening batch, but I have to join in morning batch. Okay, but it is a timing is not adjustable. That's why I have to change the my batch. Okay, in evening batch. Okay, but
Okay.
in morning batch, you have to daily base. You have to provide a recording section.
Okay, so they are providing. Okay, I'll confirm with Satish sir and I'll ping. I'll get back to you on this point.
I also 1 week I have to join in morning session, but daily you have to provide a recording session.
Okay, they are providing recording. Okay.
So this will be for the evening session. It is starting or it will shift to morning.
It mostly it will be evening session only.
Okay. And after completion of the course, you'll provide any kind of certification or something because sometimes in resume we need to attach if we have done any certification related thing.
Yes, certificate will be provided after the course completion.
Okay. And whatever you teach, so based on that, you will provide us some projects also at the end of the course.
Yes, at the end of the course, you will be provided with the this projects, and also I'll be covering interview questions. Like whenever you go for an interview, like what all basic things they ask.
Okay. Because Java, I don't know completely. I'm zero in Java, so I thought to ask all these
So
questions.
can you just give me a short description, like where you are currently working and what is your profile? So
Actually, I'm working in TCS, and my job role is front end developer, junior front end developer.
hmm.
So in that, the skill sets are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React JS, all these things. So I'm not into the backend, but I do have knowledge on Node.js. So I want to learn Java. So it's a good thing. Like here, I can learn Java as well because with Java we can work with the backend, which we call as Spring Boot. All these things.
Right.
Yeah. So for Java also, I'm a completely fresher. I don't have knowledge at all. Nothing.
No problem. But you have at least a background because you are currently working on front end, so you know some of the things.
Yeah. That's why I asked so many questions.
Yeah, even I got it like when you started asking these questions.
Okay.
Okay. So someone has asked, are there practical projects to put in the resume to be able to apply for jobs? Yes. At the end of this course, we'll be covering the project part. And number of days will be five.
On Java. Java will be the backend and frontend HTML.
Yes, yes. Anyone else having any question?
only thing is like if someone has rotational shift or something
Hmm.
like that, I should be provided with Java content, like what was happening in the last class. If I didn't attend, then I
Okay.
required the recordings. Otherwise, difficult to proceed because even I don't know Java, so it's not like that one or two classes skip also I
Okay.
can manage. So on that time I can't manage.
Okay. So we will work on your concern. I'll discuss with sir, and if it is feasible, we'll definitely provide you the recordings. And
Hmm.
that update we will share with everyone, like if the recording will be provided or not.
Okay. Thank you.
Yesterday, I have to join 8 p.m. It is a manual testing
Hmm.
classes. In that class, you have to, madam, also Sonali madam, you have to take the class, okay? And Sonali madam, you have to provide daily basis a recording session. But you have to also provide, na, it is no issues,
If
it is
it is
working on
being
people, na.
provided by others, then I'll also provide, because initially my understanding was people will not be sincere if they will get the recording. But now I got to know that people are working in shifts also, so they won't get time to regularly attend the lectures. So this is a genuine concern, and we will definitely work out.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
How much is the duration of this course?
Duration is 3 months.
Uh, 1 hour is automation testing first or manual testing first, ma'am?
This is a like a development course, so testing will not be covered here. We will be working on the Java development, UI development, and database.
Okay.
And use cases also nowadays, people are writing. So you will give us idea about that.
Like if you have seen the course of content, so testing is also a part, but it is not a major part of this course, because we will be focusing more on development. But I can give you the basic idea how we can write the test cases
Yeah,
once the development is done.
yeah. Like how we should use jest, all these things. Just even I have overview. I don't have idea about it.
Okay, I'll give you overview. Like if you want to have knowledge of any particular thing, now you can tell me. I'll provide you the things.
Okay. And how much time it will take for Java to complete?
Actually, most of the things are in the course of contents, like 1.5 month, or it also depends on individuals. Like if people are not getting the things,
Mm,
so like I have to explain more. So it also depends on you guys.
right, right. Okay.
Yeah, one more query I have.
Yes.
Yeah, I have actually enrolled in software testing, which yesterday took classes. Now this timing is also of 8, and that timing is also of 8:30, and both is clashing the things. I want to attend both class. So is that possible to have both class parallelly?
Actually, currently I'm available at this time only. Like 7 to 9 is my preferred time. Is there any batch for software testing which is conducted in the morning? So you can join that batch. Is it feasible?
Okay. Okay. To whom I have to ask for that? Or
Satish sir, like
okay.
I
Okay. I will.
I don't know if he is
One
there in the
second.
call.
Okay. Yeah.
ठीक है हाँ.
So this will be starting with the core Java, right?
Yes, core Java.
Hello, ma'am. In software testing, also there is a core Java.
Acha, but in yeah, like for I think automation testing it is required. So I think they will be covering some basic concepts. But this course is dedicated to development only. So it will be more detailed version.
So daily it will be like 1.5 hour work, right?
1.5 to 2 hours.
Okay, from 8 p.m.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am. Quick question about Oracle certification. Are we able to pass Oracle certification after this course?
Oracle certification. Which one? Java database.
For Java, yes.
Okay, I can provide you the basic things, but this certification needs to be it is based on the MCQs. So you need to practice more and more MCQs for which are required for that examination.
So we need
So
more on
basic
MCQ.
concepts will be covers, but you have to practice a lot for that exam, and you need to solve MCQs regularly. And they also provide some dumps,
Somewhat, sorry.
some questions. The list of questions or dumps are provided for those courses. So you have to practice those questions for clearing the exam.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Anyone else? You can ask me questions in English, Hindi, Marathi. Anything is fine.
हॅलो.
Hello.
हॅलो मॅम. ॲक्चुअली मी रविकिरण राठोड बोलतोय मॅम पुण्यातून.
हाँ हाँ बोला.
मॅम ॲक्चुअली मी सध्या करंटली वर्किंगमध्ये आहे. तर डिजिटल मार्केटिंगमध्ये 3 वर्षापासून. तर मी सध्या सेल्सफोर्स डेव्हलपरचा कोर्स केलाय.
हाँ
तर ॲक्चुअली आता जो आहे तुम्ही जो सिलेबस आहे तो जावाचा आहे का?
हाँ जावाचा सिलेबस है.
ओके. आणि त्यामध्ये काय काय असणार आहे मॅम ॲक्चुअली?
एक मिनिट
सांगता का?
मी हाँ मैं स्क्रीन शेअर करते माझी.
Oracle, HTML, CSS and JavaScript.
हाँ. 1 minute. I'll be sharing my screen.
Okay.
So core Java में we will be covering these concepts. Java introduction is these are the basic things, but don't go on the just headings because each and every concept we will be covering in the detail. Java introduction, history of Java, what are the features of Java, what is the difference between C++ and Java, and JDK, JRE, JVM, and programming also, like how to write a programs in Java, variables and data types, typecasting, operations, Java flow control, Java arrays, strings, OOPS concepts, packages, access modifiers, garbage collection, exception handling, collections in Java, multi-threading and serialization. And along with that, if there are any other important topics that also I'll be covering in this session.
ओके मॅम. हे हॅलो मॅम. ॲक्चुअली हे बेसिक आणि ॲडव्हान्स आहे दोन्ही आहे का याच्यात?
नाही, हे बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स आहेत. ॲडव्हान्स मध्ये थोडे वेगळे कॉन्सेप्ट्स